Today we are going to talk about how we are going to get this channel to 100,000 subs. We're going to talk about some lessons we learned along the way. And so the first thing is a level of focus. So a while back, I was just focusing on marketing topics for the channel. And some videos would get 200,000, 300,000 views or so. A lot of them would get, a couple thousand views. And the channel was doing really well. What happened along the way was that I started talking about investing. I started talking about startups. I started talking about other stuff where maybe it wasn't as related to the topic of marketing. And the problem with that is that the algorithm wants you to focus. If you aren't focused, then it doesn't know how to categorize you. It doesn't know what to push towards you. So let's say someone watches 50, 60% of your video, 70%. They watch a marketing video and then they see another video where it's talking about NFTs or something else. It's not as related, and so they're less likely to click it, and that means less recommendations for you. The name of the game is that you want to keep people on the platform. The dwell time is really what matters. They watch one, they watch another one, they watch another one, then your videos are more likely to get recommended. Stay to the very end and I'll give you a lesson that you weren't considering. So number 2 is we started spending money on ads, maybe $40 a video or something like that, and the video will get a couple thousand views or so from the ads themselves, but we'll pop up recommendations, we'll get more direct traffic coming in. That does actually help with our subscriber growth. If you have a website, I would just recommend retargeting your website traffic, because maybe if you have people that are potential clients, maybe they want to work with you. Number 3 is when you think about the top YouTubers out there, when you think about like a Mr. Beast, for example, you can see every couple seconds there's a new cut, there's a new cut, there's a new cut. And so if you can add more cuts, then that helps with retention. And having more stuff happening in your video, that's helpful to keep people engaged, because you don't want people to get bored over time. Now, look, if you enjoyed it so far, smash the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps us grow. Next one is we have been doing more shorts, because shorts is something that YouTube is pushing right now. Ideally, if we can get up to 4 or 5 shorts a day, that would be great. And that gives us more at bats to capture the audience that we're looking for. And then more people can find us, they discover us through the shorts, and maybe they subscribe and they stay for the long form videos. Number 5, I would say, is improved editing. So our editing has gotten better once we've kind of aligned with the team in terms of what we're looking for. So really props to overall the brand team doing a great job with the edit. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell as well. That also helps. Now, the other piece is when we launch a new video, we want to make sure that we're changing the headlines. If the headline doesn't hit in the first hour or so, changing the headlines, right? Someone's got to be on top of that, because the headline and the thumbnail, those are the things that matter. David Ogilvy likes to say that when you've written your headline, 80 cents has already been spent on the dollar. Last but not least is increasing the publishing frequency. So the more at-bats we get, the better. More so talking about shorts in this case, but even increasing frequency of videos like this, that definitely helps. Let me know if you think I missed anything in the comments below. By the way, if you need marketing help at all, you can go to my ad agency, singlegrain.com, or if you're looking for a marketing gig, we're always hiring great people. Go to singlegrain.com/work, and don't forget to check out the next video over there, and we'll catch you later.